Hey Nash, what should we make?
Crack burgers. Make some bacon jam burgers.
All right, let's make bacon jam burgers. Today we're making bacon jam cheeseburgers. We're gonna do a smash burger style with cheese. We took some of our bacon jam, we dehydrated it, turned it into powder, so we're gonna use that to season the patties. Plus we're gonna use some of our bacon jam, put it on there. It's gonna be good. So hey, we're losing daylight, gotta go use the grill. So without further ado, let's go. First thing we gotta do is make our burger sauce. So to a small bowl, we're gonna add some mayo, some ketchup, mustard, pickle relish, and a little bit of Worcestershire. And then we mix. Set that aside. Then we got our burger balls, for lack of a better term. We're gonna do smash burgers. So I like to do around about 3 ounces per patty. So that's what these are. If you prefer a thicker burger, you could just do 1 or 2 patties in a thicker burger. So just use more beef. But we're gonna do smash burgers today. So that's these are. So we got 6 patties. We're gonna do 2 patties per burger. We got our bacon jam powder. We got our bacon jam and a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic mixture. We're ready to take these out to the grill. With a cast iron griddle on the grill, we're gonna go ahead and throw our burger balls on there. And then we're just gonna put a piece of parchment and just smash these guys. And we're just gonna hit them real quick with a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic. And then some of our bacon jam powder. This is why I love smash burgers, because you get that nice crust on both patties, sort of maximize that crust surface area. Normally I would just do one side, but we want to get this maximum flavoring out of this bacon powder, so we're just going to hit the other side too with this bacon jam powder. Then we'll throw some cheese on this. Put a lid on it. We're just gonna take them and stack them. And there we go. That's what we got. Well, we got our nice hot griddle here. We're gonna go ahead and toast our buns. We got these beautiful brioche buns here. Once your buns have a nice toast like that, go ahead and pull them. And it's time to build. So we take our bottom bun, a little bit of this burger sauce, spread that around. We put some lettuce on there. And we take this guy, put him on there, put a tomato there. Then we got our top bun, we put some burger sauce on here. And to this guy, we're gonna add some of this bacon jam. And there's our burger. Go ahead and cut this guy open. Let's see what we got. Oh man, look at that. Time for a bite. Cheers. Oh my God. That is so good. I mean, the smash burger is amazing to begin with, obviously, but with that bacon jam and that added seasoning from the bacon jam powder, it's like the most ridiculously flavor-packed burger I think I may have ever eaten. So good. You have to try this. It's amazing. I will put a link to the bourbon bacon jam recipe down below. And we did a short on how to make it into powder, but it's really easy. Let's see what Nash thinks. Obviously, his isn't gonna have bacon jam because that has a bunch of onions in it. Oh, hey buddy. Got a little something for you here. I don't know if you can eat all this in one bite, but you want a burger? Oh, he's just gonna run away with it. All right, sweet. Nash approves. I definitely approve. This is just a few little additions to a pretty simple smash burger that elevate it like boom through the roof. Look, it's grilling season, it's summer. I know you're gonna be making burgers and whatnot, so do yourself a favor, make this bacon jam, make this burger, and thank me later. All that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, subscribe, and share the show, it would mean a lot to me, it'd mean a lot to us. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that in the comments. Go ahead to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. You can also message us there and let us know if there's something you want us to make, or if you just have something you want to say. Just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Thanks again. Till next time. Peace.